Next problem of guarantee of profit now. See the problem. Aman, Babita and Suresh are partners in a firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:2:1. However, Suresh is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 as share of profit every year. Any deficiency arising on that account shall be made by Babita alone. Okay. The profit for the 2 years ending 31st March 2016 and 2017 were rupees 40,000 and rupees 60,000 respectively. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for 2 years. So in this problem we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2016 having profit of rupees 40,000 and profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2017 having profit of rupees 60,000, and in both the cases if there is any deficiency in guaranteed profit it will be borne by Babita. So let's calculate now. So here in this problem of Amar, Babita and Suresh, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for 2 years because profit of 2 years is given here. 31st March for the year ended 31st March 16 and for the year ended 31st March 17. Okay. Profit of the year ended 31st March 2016 is rupees 40,000 and 60,000 rupees for the year ended 31st March 2017. Okay. They told us that Suresh is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 10,000. So guaranteed profit of Suresh is rupees 10,000, and if there is any deficiency it will be made by Babita, only Babita, not by the other partner, that is Aman. Okay. So now we will do the working here. For the year ended 31st March 2016 profit is 40,000. So profit rupees 40,000. Now we will share the profit in ratio of, the ratio is given 2:2:1 to be distributed in 2:2:1. So Aman, for Aman 40,000 into 2 upon total of all these, that is 2 upon 5. So it will be rupees 16,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. This is 8,000 into 2, that is rupees 16,000. Then second partner is Babita. Again 40,000 into 2 upon 5, so it will be rupees 16,000. And third partner is Suresh. 40,000 into 1 upon 5, so it will be rupees 8,000. Okay. So their shares are calculated here, and now see in the problem they told us that Suresh was guaranteed profit of rupees 10,000. So there is a deficiency of rupees 2,000 which will be made by Babita. Okay. So I will write it here. Minimum guaranteed to Suresh is rupees 10,000. Therefore deficiency is equal to 10,000 minus he is getting 8,000, so 8,000 rupees, it is rupees 2,000. Deficiency is rupees 2,000. It will be made by Babita. Okay. So Babita will give 2,000 out of her profit to Suresh, so that Suresh will get 10,000 rupees, and Babita's share will be then 14,000 and Aman's share will remain as it is, that is rupees 16,000. Okay. So now we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2016. first year by profit and loss account. Net profit, that is rupees 40,000. Then to profit transferred to Aman's capital account, Babita's capital account and Suresh capital account. Aman share 16,000 will remain as it is. Babita's old share, I will write it here. Babita's old share 16,000 less deficiency 2,000, so she will get rupees 14,000. It is Suresh deficiency. And Suresh old share was rupees 8,000. Add deficiency borne by Babita 2,000, so he will get 10,000 out of Babita's old share. This way we can show the distribution of profit here. So 40,000, 40,000, the account tallied. Okay, now we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2017. The profit is given rupees 60,000. So first, as the profit is rupees 60,000, here we will see the calculation, that is distribution of profit. You can say share of profit rupees 60,000. Therefore for Aman, 60,000 into 2/5, so it is rupees 24,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 remaining, 0, 5 twos are 10, and these 3 zeros, so 12,000 into 2, that is rupees 24,000. Okay, now Babita, 60,000 into 2/5, then again she will get 24,000 rupees. And now Suresh, 60,000 into 1/5, so it will be rupees 12,000. Now see, Suresh share, that is rupees 12,000, is more than the guaranteed amount to him, so there is no need for any adjustment of amount. He will get 12,000 rupees from this profit. Okay, जर सुरेशची अमाऊंट कमी असती तर त्याला या दोघींच्या शेअरपैकी कोणाच्या तरी शेअरमधनं पैसे द्यायला लागले असते ॲज पर गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन, बट ही इज गेटिंग मोर प्रॉफिट दॅन हिज गॅरंटेड अमाऊंट, सो देर इज नो नीड ऑफ एनी adjustment. So profit and loss appropriation account will be simple. By profit and loss account, net profit rupees 60,000, and here to partners capital account, or you can say individually, Aman, Babita and Suresh will get their profit as per calculation. So that is rupees 24,000, 24,000 and 12,000. So the account will tally at rupees 60,000. So when the partner is getting more profit than the guaranteed amount, we have to give that amount to him. Okay, so calculate this problem in your notebook. It's very simple. Next problem now. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4:1. C is given a guarantee that his share of profit in any given year would be rupees 5,000. Means guarantee was given of rupees 5,000. Definitely C will get rupees 5,000. Deficiency, if any, would be borne by A and B equally. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2016 amounted to rupees 40,000. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of the firm. So let's solve this problem. We will calculate the deficiency in given guarantee, and then we will pass journal entries and prepare profit and loss appropriation account also. Let's start. So in this problem, they told us to pass journal entries in the books of the firm. We will calculate first the deficiency. There are three partners A, B and C, and C is given the guarantee of his share of profit rupees 5,000. So we will have to calculate the deficiency, which will be borne by the partners equally. So profit given is rupees 40,000. First we will distribute this profit in their profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is 5:4:1. Okay, so let's see here. For A, 40,000 into 5/10. So it is rupees 20,000. 4,000 into 5. Then for B, 40,000 into 4/10. So it is rupees 16,000. Okay, and for C, 40,000 into 1/10. So it will be only rupees 4,000. And in problem they told us that C is given a guarantee of rupees 5,000. It means he will at least get rupees 5,000. Therefore deficiency is equal to actual profit 4,000 and guarantee given 5,000. So 5,000 minus 4,000. So there is deficiency of rupees 1,000 here. Deficiency will be distributed equally, will be borne equally. So deficiency will be borne equally by A and B. Therefore that is rupees 500 each. When we distribute 1,000 equally between A and B, it is rupees 5,000 for A and for B rupees 5,000. It means A will give rupees 500 from his share to C, B will give rupees 5,000 from his share to C, and so C will get 500 plus 500 1,000 rupees more as per guarantee given to him, and their ratio, their profit will reduce by rupees 500 each, A and B. Okay, so here let's prepare profit and loss appropriation account. By profit and loss account, net profit 40,000 टू, आपण प्रत्येक पार्टनरच्या कॅपिटल अकाउंटच्या नावाने पण म्हणू शकतो सेपरेटली. आय विल शो इट. टू एज कॅपिटल अकाउंट it is 20,000 less deficiency given to C, you can say given to C 500. So he will get 19,500 rupees. Now to B's capital account, his amount is rupees 16,000 less deficiency amount transferred to C or given to C 500. So his amount will be 15,500 rupees. To C's capital account, his share was rupees 4,000. Add from A and from B 500 and 500. So he will get rupees 5,000 as per his guaranteed amount. Okay, so let's tally profit and loss appropriation account. Credit total is 40,000, debit total is rupees 40,000. Okay, and now they told us to pass journal entries. So here we will pass journal entries. Now see the journal entries. First journal entry will be of, obviously, first journal entry will be of profit transferred. So first journal entry here, profit and loss account debit to appropriation account on 31st March 2016. Profit and loss account debit rupees 40,000 to profit and loss appropriation account rupees 40,000. Narration now, being profit transferred, being profit transferred. This is column of date. Okay, now next entry. Next entry will be of original distribution of profit. So profit and loss appropriation account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account to C's capital account. 40,000. It was distributed originally, see here, 2016 and 4. So 20,000, 16,000 and 4,000. Distribution of profit without guarantee. And so we'll make the adjustment entry here. The adjusted entry will be, see, we are taking from A 500 rupees, taking from B 500 rupees, so their capital accounts will be debited. A's capital account debit 500, B's capital account debit 500 to C's capital account. C's capital account will be credited because he is getting the amount rupees 1,000. Okay, so narration, deficiency borne by A and B equally. Now see, I am giving one idea to you. Instead of passing these two entries separately, we can directly pass balancing entry. See here, A's capital account is credited by 20,000, A's capital account debited by 500, means ultimately A's capital account is credited by 19,500. Similarly, in case of B, B's capital account credited by 16,000, out of that B's capital account debited 5 rupees 500 because 500 rupees आपण त्याच्याकडनं घेतले. So ultimately B's capital account is credited by rupees 15,500. And C's capital account was originally credited by rupees 4,000. Due to guarantee, 1,000 again credited to his account. So total amount credited to his account is rupees 5,000. So instead of passing these two entries separately, we can directly pass this entry. For these two entries, you can pass directly, and as per working note, we have distributed the profit. This should be the narration for this entry. Entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit 40,000 to A's capital account 19,500 to B's capital account 15,500 and to C's capital account 5,000. Okay, and narration, being distributed, the profit distributed between the partner as per given guarantee, as per working note. So वर्किंग नोटमध्ये तुम्ही दाखवलेलं आहे गॅरंटी कशी दिलेली आहे ते. सो यू कॅन पास दिस एंट्री डिरेक्टली इन्स्टेड ऑफ पासिंग दीज 2 एंट्रीज इन द प्रॉब्लेम. ओके. जर गॅरंटी ऑफ प्रॉफिटचाच फक्त प्रॉब्लेम विचारला 3 और 4 मार्क्सला तर तुम्ही डिटेल ह्या 2 एंट्रीज पास करणं एक्सपेक्टेड आहे टू गेट ॲक्युरेट मार्क्स. पण मोठा प्रॉब्लेम वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टींचा आला आणि त्याच्यात एक पॉईंट गॅरंटी ऑफ प्रॉफिट असेल तर तुम्ही इन्स्टेड ऑफ पासिंग दीज 2 एंट्रीज यू कॅन पास दिस कंबाइंड एंट्री ऑल्सो. ओके. नाउ सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लेम इन युअर नोटबुक. सी दिस प्रॉब्लेम नाउ. A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 12:8:5. Partner C is guaranteed a minimum profit of rupees 50,000 per annum by the firm. So guarantee given to C is rupees 50,000. At least he will get rupees 50,000 every year. The profits and losses for the year ended 31st March were 2016 profit 2 lakhs, 2017 profit rupees 3 lakhs, and 2018 there was a loss of rupees 2 lakhs. So they told us to pass necessary journal entries in the books of the firm. So first we have to do the working. Let's start. So now in this problem, C is guaranteed a minimum profit of rupees 50,000 per annum. It means if there is any deficiency in C's share of profit, it is to be borne by the firm because the guarantee is given by the firm, means all the partners. Thus, there are profits given for the year ended 31st March 2016 and 17 and loss for the year ended 31st March 2018. Out of the profits of the firm, C's account will be credited with minimum guaranteed profit or his share of profit, actual share of profit, whichever is higher. Okay, and balance will be distributed between the partners A and B in their profit sharing ratio. So guaranteed profit to C is 50,000 and their profit sharing ratio is 12:8:5. So let's see what is the deficiency. No need of calculating all partners share, but we'll do all the things here. First, the year 2015-16, that is for the year ended 31st March 2016. Okay, guarantee to C, guaranteed profit to C is equal to rupees 50,000 and PSR, profit sharing ratio, as given in the problem, it is 12:8:5. Okay, now guaranteed profit to C rupees 50,000 and yearly profit for the year rupees 2 lakhs. Okay, therefore first partner is A, 2 lakhs into 12/25, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 5 25. So it is rupees 96,000. Okay, now B, 2 lakhs into 8/25, so it is rupees 64,000. And then C, 2 lakhs into 5/25, so it is rupees 40,000. Okay, so deficiency is equal to 50,000 minus 40,000. Given guarantees of rupees 50,000, his actual share is rupees 40,000, so deficiency is rupees 10,000, which will be borne by A and B in their profit sharing ratio, that is 12:8. Okay, so it means in 3:2. Therefore A will bear 10,000 into 3 upon 5, 2,000 into 3, that is rupees 6,000, and B 10,000 into 2 upon 5, that is rupees 4,000. So we have to deduct 6,000 from A's share and we will give A 90,000 rupees, 4,000 from B's share we will give him 60,000, and C will get, by adding 10,000 in his 40,000, guaranteed profit rupees 50,000. Understood? So this is the case in case of for the year ended 31st March 2016. Now year 16-17. Because this is the year ended 31st March 2017. Profit rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, we know guaranteed profit to C is rupees 50,000. So I am not writing it again. To A 3 lakhs into 12 upon 25, it is 1,44,000. To B 3 lakhs into 8 upon 25, so it will be 96,000 rupees. To C 3 lakhs into 5 upon 25, so it is rupees 60,000, which is more than guaranteed profit, so he will get rupees 60,000 in second condition. Now the third condition, that is for the year ended 31st March 2018, so the year is 17-18, and loss, there is a loss of rupees 2 lakhs. When there was profit, we have already distributed the profit in their ratio 96,000, 64,000 and 40,000. So the same share will be there in case of loss. So A's share in loss is rupees 96,000, B's share is rupees 64,000, and C's share rupees 40,000. Now this is loss, and here C is guaranteed profit of rupees 50,000. So after covering this loss 40,000, we have to give him profit of rupees 50,000. So deficiency is equal to, here 50,000 minus 40,000, 10,000 was deficiency, but here we have to give him 50,000 and he has loss of rupees 40,000. So minus, it is minus 40,000 because loss is minus thing. So 50,000 minus minus plus 40,000. So deficiency will be rupees 90,000. We have to cover his loss and give him 50,000 rupees profit. So to cover the loss 40,000 and to give him profit 50,000. So total deficiency is rupees 90,000, which will be borne by A and B. That is the remaining partners in their profit sharing ratio, which is as per our calculation 3:2. Okay, we have calculated in 3:2. Therefore A 90,000 into 3 upon 5 and B 90,000 into 2 upon 5. Okay. it is 54,000. It is 36,000. In this way they have to bear his deficiency. In this way, in first case he is getting less profit, so deficiency will be bared by A and B, that is rupees 10,000. In second case he is getting more profit, more than his guaranteed profit, so he will get rupees 60,000. And in third case, as there is a loss to the firm, A and B will bear 90,000 rupees deficiency in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, now let's pass the journal entries. So now we'll pass journal entries. Now we will pass journal entry. First journal entry on 31st March 2016. Profit and loss account debit 2 lakhs. To profit and loss appropriation account 2 lakhs. Okay, net profit transferred. This is the narration. Net profit transferred. Now instead of passing two entries as we have discussed in last problem, we'll directly pass the journal entry of actual profit given to them after deducting their deficiency. Okay, so the entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit 2 lakhs to A's capital account, to B's capital account, and to C's capital account. See, in this first condition, after deducting deficiency of rupees 6,000, A will get 90,000, B will get 60,000 after deducting deficiency of rupees 4,000, and C will get rupees 50,000 as guarantee given to him. So profit distribution among partners or between the partners. And guaranteed profit to C as per working note. In this way we can pass only two entries here. Now for the year ended 31st March 2017, first entry will be same, profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. The profit is rupees 3 lakhs. Now in this condition, C is getting more profit than his guaranteed profit, so there is no deficiency. So we have to pass the entry of actual profit distribution. Profit and loss appropriation account debit 3 lakhs to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account. As our working note number second, they are getting A 1,44,000, B 96,000, and C 60,000. So distributed in their profit sharing ratio. This will be the narration. And now the third condition, that is for the year ended 31st March 2018, first entry will be of loss, and loss will be transferred to debit side of appropriation account. So the entry will be A's capital account debit, capital accounts are debited because loss will be in credit side of appropriation account. By partners capital account ABC, it will be distributed between the partners. So to profit and loss account. Distribution is same because loss is rupees 2 lakhs as per first case, but it is loss. So entry is opposite. He is getting 40,000 rupees loss out of 2 lakhs. But we have guaranteed him profit. Keep it in mind. And transferred. You can write loss transferred also, net loss transferred. And now to make C profitable, that to provide him guaranteed profit rupees 50,000, we have to calculate the deficiency as per our this working note. Total deficiency is rupees 90,000. A's account should be debited by 54,000, B's account should be debited by 36,000, and 90,000 will be credited to C's capital account. So the entry will be A's capital account debit 54,000, B's capital account debit 36,000, and to C's capital account. C's capital account will be credited by rupees 90,000. So after bearing the loss of rupees 40,000, he will get rupees 50,000 profit. Okay. So C's deficiency met by A and B in 3:2 ratio. This is the narration. Okay. In this way, in three conditions, we have calculated by making a working which how much is the deficiency of the partner, and then we have passed the journal entries here. So solve this problem in your notebook, and if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay, that's all.